Hey, Restore Plus family. Hey, Team Transform family. How are you doing? What's up? This is Reggie. I just want to send out this quick message. I want to I want to greet you a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you're enjoying and celebrating with your family, with your friends, with your loved ones. For me, this is special. This is something. This is a holiday. This tradition is not something I grew up with. I'm Chinese. We didn't have this. I grew up in the Philippines. We didn't have this, but I and I started adding this to our tradition already because I just like that. I know people say, "Hey, you should be showing gratitude, thankful every day of the year." Yes, I agree, and I get you. I myself do that. I show gratitude every day, but I know a lot of people don't. Right? I started my day with gratitude in mind, but I know a lot of people don't. And not only that, it's for me. This is time that I see like families get together. Right? The Christmas, New Year becomes more of a party. I see a lot of teenagers. They actually don't join their parents and family with the Christmas. Not everybody celebrates that because of the a religious holiday. Not everybody have the same religion. But Thanksgiving, it's not like that. I love seeing or hearing families get together, even if it's just that once a year. And I want my son to grow up, and then I want this to be part of our tradition. I want to remember that, how even if someday he's gonna be away, then I want that have that one time that, hey, he'll be back home. All right. So I just want to send a quick message, shout out to everyone. Just wish everybody is having a great time, and always remember, be let's be thankful for what we have. For me, for the Thanksgiving, three things that at least I'm grateful for. A lot of things. Top three things come to my mind is one, health. With the way the pandemic is, very thankful. We're still alive. We healthy, and for the ones who are sick and recover, and for the ones who have lost people, family, loved ones. I my condolences, but that makes us even more thankful that we still are here and we're still healthy. So for health, I'm very thankful for that. Second is in terms of, well, having the business here. We're still, we're open, and we get the chance every day to be able to impact people's lives, to serve you, to serve our community, and help in any way we can. And I'm very grateful for that. Coming from last year, which is really tough, I'm very grateful that we're here and we're still able to continue to serve you guys. All right. And then the third one is just so for we have family, finance. The third one is the family. Is I'm very grateful that I have a great family, personal family, and not only personal family but work family. I have a great group of people who are in the clinic that helps me in my mission in transforming people's lives, that help me serve our community. So for the family that I have, I'm grateful. For the health that I have, I'm grateful. And in terms of our in the financial part, which is the clinic being here, I'm very grateful. So those are the three main things that pops into my mind right now, of things that I'm truly grateful for. So what are yours? Take a minute. If you can't think of anything right now, take a minute, sit down. If you're in a party already, maybe take a little break, go to one side, think of what are the things that you're grateful for, things that you can be very thankful for, just so that way, things that just in line with what the name of the holiday is, we give thanks in a Thanksgiving. All right. If you would love to share them, would love to see them in the comments below. All right. Other than that, I'll let you get back to having or preparing or enjoying your holiday, and I'll see you next time.